Oh, hello everyone. Hi YouTube. Hope everybody's keeping safe. Here she is, on the road. I'm still going to do the suspension a bit lower on the front, but I've just been up the road. Just got back from having the tracking done. And the roads are filthy dirty, so it's awfully dirty already. But she's done. I've ordered the guy's making me a cover. I made a crossbar to keep the rain from puddling, and yeah, it's all done. Got my seat back, nice. Trust me. Still got to do the timing. Oh, and the fan belt one's tightening up now, look. So probably stretched a little bit on that short journey. There you go. Right, on to the next project. I'm not sure what yet, but I've got a friend that wants me to redo his motorbike, but I'll see. Cheers anyway, stay safe.